This old rural house was completely transformed. We started with a solid foundation, ensuring stability for the entire structure. Then came the light steel framing, fast to install, yet incredibly strong. In just a few days, the main structure was completed. The house is designed to be waterproof, wind-resistant, and durable for years. Inside, it offers a fully functional living space, including kitchen and bathroom. This is how modern technology upgrades rural living. A comfortable home, built for everyday life. Would you live in a house like this?